How to add a background. Go to File, Open. Go to your PIT folder. Go to Photoshop, Composite, Backgrounds, and just choose one. I would cut it on so you can see them, and choose one you like. So let's say this one, and hit Open. So that opens it up. So now you have to move it to the other side. So go to Layer, Duplicate Layer, call it BG, and change this to your 3-step document and hit OK. Go to this document. Now you want to resize it. Hit Control T and then hit Control 0 so you can see it, and then you can resize it by dragging the corners and then find out the part you like. I'm going to go for this part. Hit the check mark. That's all there is to it. Now, you can add another color to this background. To do that, you go down here where it says here, choose solid color, pick a color, say I want it to be a little more pink, and hit OK. Now, you have to right click and choose Create Clipping Mask. And then you're going to have to change the blend mode. We hit Control 0 to go in. So now I've changed the color to my background. That's totally optional.